Stop if your motivation letter sounds like everyone else's. You are almost guaranteed to get rejected. In the next 15 minutes, I'll show you the exact formula that makes admission officers read every single line and want to say yes to you. Hi, I am Afamijeke and I have helped several students land scholarships, university admissions, and research opportunities abroad. Today, I'll give you the step-by-step guide system to write a motivation letter that stands out, plus a free downloadable template at the end. So stay tuned as we are going to explore how you do motivation letter correctly. Now, in this video, what you will learn are as follows. 1. You will know exactly how to write a strong, attention-grabbing opening paragraph in your motivation letter. You will learn how to highlight your academic and personal achievements, and then connect your story to the scholarship or the program which you are applying for. You will also learn how to close your letter persuasively so it receives a lasting impression. Now, we will look at common mistakes to avoid. Before we dive in, here's why most letters fail. 1. They are generic and don't show personality. Secondly, they are too long or unfocused. Don't explain why the applicant is unique. Avoid these mistakes and you immediately stand out. Now let's look at how to open your letter. That's the opening paragraph. I usually do it this way. I start with a unique story or goal. I avoid cliches. For example, I will write something like this as my opening statement or paragraph. Growing up in a small town, I dreamt of making an impact in renewable energy. This scholarship will allow me to then whatever thing I want to achieve. Step 2, academic achievements. I will highlight mine this way. I will avoid listing every certificate and focus on what matters, like projects or researches I have done when I was completing my undergraduate studies, relevant grades or honors, and even competitions that I got involved in. Then step 3, personal achievements. I will usually include relevant extracurricular activities, volunteering activities, even internships. For instance, I wrote one like this. I led a community project that educated 200 students on environmental conservation. Then step 4, career goals. You need to explain how this program or the program you are applying for helps achieve your goals. I'll write my own letter this way. I aim to develop renewable energy solutions in my country, and this scholarship gives me the skills and network to do so. So you see how I've connected it. Then the fifth step is to connect the program or scholarship. You know. Now I'll do it this way. I'll make it clear why this specific program or scholarship matters. For example, I'll write this way. I am particularly drawn to your university, let's say University of Nigeria, because of its cutting-edge research in renewable energy and the mentorship opportunities it provides. So here, mention the futures that truly matters. Here's a short example of a full motivation letter. It goes this way. Growing up in a small town, I dreamt of making an impact in renewable energy. I completed a research project on solar panel efficiency, winning first place in the national science competition. I aim to join University of Nigeria to further develop my skills and contribution to sustainable energy solutions. This scholarship provides the mentorship and resources I need to achieve this goal. So you see, you encourage the viewers, right? Or rather, you encourage the admission officers to pay attention, to see all you have achieved. So this sample, you can pause it, copy, and adapt it, right? Replay it, to see how you can adapt it to meet your own letter. Then extra tips on this. One, you avoid jargon. Use simple English, something everybody can interpret. Then keep it to one page. See, one page, everything will be shown clearly. Then go ahead, download the free templates in the description below, right? And then follow this structure to save hours of work. If you have any challenge with this, use the comment box. Right, just type templates if you want a PDF sent to you, and I will send it across to you. Put an active email address so that I send it straight to your email box. Then the takeaways from this. Remember, you need to hook in your reader, that's the admission officer, with highlights of your achievements. Then you connect your story to the program and close persuasively. Follow these steps and your letter stands out immediately. Right? Don't forget, download the templates and then you can modify it to suit your purpose. And you can comment in the comment section if you have any challenge. So, if you want to, get more scholarship tips, check my playlist here. In this video, the playlist you should, we cover topics like SOP, motivational letters, and other necessary letters for your applications. By the way, we do application process services, so we can actually handle your application if that's what you want. Then when rewriting your letter, avoid copying templates word for word, adding unnecessary fillers, and forgetting to proofread. Remember, you have to keep it very clear, simple, and then impactful. Right? So you don't need to use the template as is. You need to, but don't forget proofreading. It's very important. Right? Here is a tip many miss. One, save your draft, then reread after 24 hours. Often, you can improve clarity and flow dramatically. Rewatch this example letter to see how small edits make a big difference. Right? So, if you find this video helpful, hit like and subscribe, so that as we release new videos, it hits you're the first to get notified. And then share with someone who is applying for a scholarship. Don't forget to download the free template and check out my full playlist for more tips. Good luck with your applications. Thank you.